Good afternoon, dear children. How are you all? Good? Okay. So, children, as you all know that from 8th September to 14th September, we are celebrating Reading Week, right? And today, I'm going to tell you a story. Okay? This is a story about a boy to whom her grandmother is telling a story about a boy Jack. राइट चिल्ड्रेन, इस स्टोरी में जो ग्रैंड मदर है वो अपने ग्रैंड सन को स्टोरी सुना रही है. वाई शी इज टेलिंग अ स्टोरी टू हिम? वाई? शी वॉन्ट टू टेल हिम दैट वी शुड ऑलवेज बिलीव इन आवर सेल्व्स, राइट? सो कम ऑन, यू जस्ट वॉच द वीडियो, you just watch the story, all right, and then again we will meet.
What is she saying? You are not taking part in the competition? I don't think I can make it, but you have been practicing for a whole month, dear, and you play so well. I have never heard anyone play guitar as good as you do. You think so? I know so. Let me tell you a story of a boy, Jack, who did what nobody thought he could do. Once there were two boys, Jack and Louis, who lived in a village near Oldenburg. Jack was 6 years old while Louis was 10. They were very close friends and spent most of their time together. One day, as an adventure, they went a little too far away from the village. And while they were running around and exploring, Louis fell into a well. He started screaming because he didn't know how to swim and thought he would drown and die. Jack panicked and looked around for help, but there was no one to help them. Then suddenly he saw a bucket tied to a rope lying nearby. Without wasting any time, Jack threw the bucket into the well and asked Louis to hold it. The moment Louis held the bucket, Jack started pulling up the rope. He kept pulling and pulling till Louis was out of the well. They were happy and cheering each other and ran quickly towards their home. When they told their families and the villagers about the event, nobody believed them because Jack was too young and weak to even lift a bucket full of water. Hence, nobody believed that he could have pulled out Louis from the well. But only Uncle Peter believed them. Uncle Peter was an old and experienced man whom the villagers took seriously. So they asked him how could this be possible. Uncle Peter laughed and said, "What is there to explain? The boy is already telling you how he did it. He threw the bucket inside and pulled the rope to save his friend. What is strange here is how did he manage to gather so much strength? This was because at that time there was nobody to tell him that he couldn't do it. Even he himself was not in a position to think so." He added, "The only one who can empower you is yourself. In fact, you can do it. If you think you can do it." The villagers realized that how important it is to believe in yourself. Do you now believe you can? Yes, yes, I can. I can, Grandma.
I hope you have watched the video very nicely. You have enjoyed the story, children. Now, Can you tell me what moral you have learned from the story? Yes, we must always believe in ourselves, right? हमें अपने आप पर हमेशा भरोसा करना चाहिए कि yes we can do it. जब हमारे अंदर ये वाली फीलिंग होगी ना कि हम कोई भी काम कर सकते हैं तो definitely we can do that work, right? So never lose hope. Every time you have to speak that I can do it, I can do it. With this, I'm going to end my video. All the best. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.